you want to scale your service-based business to 6 figures, well, you need to try the SOP strategy. The SOP strategy is the foundation or the base of any freelancing or service-based business. It's broken down into 3 steps: skill, offer, and prospecting. So let's start with skill. Skill is something that you're good at, very good at. It could be email marketing, website. It's something that you will trade in for money. Now we're going to talk about the offer. Offer is the way how you're going to promote your skill. There should often be a clear reason why they should you over others. It's one of the most important skills in the SOP strategy. Here's the 3 steps to having a great offer. First, find real audience. Don't go to group chats, Instagram pages where they find fake audience or bot accounts. Remember, you're trying to send an offer to a person who's actually going to respond and get on a Zoom call with you. The second one is find a person that's actually going to sell something. Go to a person who's actually selling a course, selling a book, etc. Target them and it's going to be much easier to help them. Third and last is build an offer that's going to help the person. Not going to help you, but help the person. Remember, to make $10,000, you got to make the other person $100,000. Prospecting. Prospecting is probably one of the easiest steps. It's basically where you send offer to people that you prospect. So you find a list of clients, let's say 100, you put them in an Excel sheet and then you send your offer to all of them. It's probably one of the easiest steps. The first 2 steps are hard. Skill building is hard and it might take a couple of months, and then offer building will take like 1 month where you create a solid framework for an offer, and then you could prospect it every day. You could just keep copy pasting it with different names and sending to your prospect.